Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best chainsaw sharpeners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Oregon Compact Universal Chainsaw Sharpener. The Oregon Compact Universal Chainsaw Sharpener is a bench-mounted model that is so robust you can find it at work in some professional shops. All the necessary mounting hardware is included right in the box. Setup is quick and easy, and it will pay for itself after you've sharpened a couple of dozen chains compared to taking it to a pro. The instructions are a little confusing for a first-time user, though especially the angle selection directions, so it may take a little time to achieve the high-quality results that this sharpener can provide. It helps to reset it when reversing direction, but finding and setting the correct angle for your chain is the biggest issue. Try a grinder angle of 30 degrees, a head tilt of 60 degrees, a down angle of 0 or 30, 60 or 10 if you can't find the right angles. The grinder is compatible with chains from all the top chainsaw brands like Makita, Ryobi, Stihl, and Husqvarna. Once you figure this grinder out, it works fast and provides excellent results. We like that it includes a built-in work light to help you see what you're doing and a wear indicator to let you know when it's almost time to replace your grinding wheel. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Oregon Compact 120-volt mini bench grinder. This compact bench grinder from Oregon provides the same great results as our best overall for about half the price, which is why we think it's such a great value. It's capable of handling all the same size chains and provides similar results when sharpening most chains, although it lacks the power to effectively handle heavily damaged chains. The sharpener works with all common chain sizes and has straightforward operation and easy adjustments. It spins faster than most bench sharpeners, but the motor itself isn't as powerful as more expensive options, so it requires a light hand and a learning period to avoid bogging down. At number 3, we have the Sharp Pebble Electric Chainsaw Sharpener Kit. The Sharp Pebble Electric Chainsaw Sharpener Kit is our top choice for an electric chainsaw sharpener because it comes with everything you need to sharpen a variety of chainsaw sizes, including a rotary tool. It works fast with variable speeds and is easy to use. This kit includes a rotary tool, 3 different file sizes, and a chainsaw angle attachment that helps you guide the file at the correct angle for an optimum sharpening job. It's all freehand, so it does take some getting used to, but a guide shows exactly how to hold it. At number 2, we have the Granberg Bar Mount Chainsaw Sharpener. Bar-mounted chainsaw sharpeners need to provide more precision than handheld sharpening kits while saving you the trouble of removing the chain and allowing you to work quickly, which is why we recommend the File and Joint Bar-Mounted File Guide. Although it doesn't include any files, you'll need to buy them separately. It takes all the guesswork out of the sharpening process and requires no experience or special knowledge to operate. This bar-mounted sharpener clamps directly onto your chainsaw bar with the chain still in place and guides you toward the exact right filing angle. It works with virtually any chainsaw and holds all file sizes, so all you need to do is look up the right file size for your chainsaw and then let this sharpener guide you. Granberg builds these sharpeners to last, so you'll likely get many years of use out of them. They're made of cast aluminum and zinc-plated steel for precision and longevity, so you can pack them up with your safety glasses and take them out on the job site year after year. And finally, at number 1, we have the Tuff Benchtop Chainsaw Sharpener. Bench-mounted chainsaw sharpeners need to provide precision and flexibility to be worth it, which is why this Tuff model is our favorite. It's designed for installation on most work surfaces, including tables, workbenches, and walls. It's built around a powerful 230-watt motor that runs at 3,600 RPM for fast and effective sharpening. We love that this bench sharpener has a built-in work light. This allows you to see exactly what you're doing as you align each tooth on the chain and then lower the grinding wheel using the large handle for precise sharpening. This benchtop grinder includes 3 grinding wheels from 1/4 to 108 inch to handle various chainsaw chains. It's suitable for sharpening your entire collection at once, including pole saws. If you happen to overwork it, the motor includes thermal overload protection to shut it off until it cools down. The initial setup is a little complicated and you need to source your own mounting hardware, but that isn't a huge issue because you'll only have to mount and set it up once. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.